In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Notion in just a few easy steps. This simple integration will help streamline your workflow by bringing your Outlook calendar directly into Notion. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to head over to Notion. Make sure you're at the main page where all your wikis, docs, and projects are hosted. If you haven't logged in yet, simply click on the Login button at the top right corner of your screen to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, ensure you're on the Notion homepage. This is your personal dashboard, your launchpad into the world of Notion, where all your workspaces and pages are easily accessible. Navigating here is an invitation to see everything you've been working on, all in one place. Next, you'll want to click on the specific page where you'd like to embed your Outlook calendar. You can think of this page as your new command center where the integration will take place. Once you've clicked into the page, you should see an empty section where you can add content. Here's where the magic happens. All you need to do is start typing the command /embed. This action opens up a vast array of possibilities. The embed function in Notion allows you to integrate various kinds of content from different platforms. In our case, it's going to help us incorporate your Outlook calendar seamlessly into this page. After you've initiated the embed command, the next crucial step is to paste your HTML calendar link from Outlook. Now, if you're wondering where to find this link, open your Outlook account separately and locate the calendar you want to bring into Notion. Most calendar services, like Outlook, give you the option to share your calendar. Usually, you can generate a shareable HTML link directly from the calendar settings. Once you have that link copied, return to Notion and paste it right where you typed embed. At this point, Notion will process the link and display your Outlook calendar on the selected page. You now have your own little window into Outlook, directly inside Notion, providing you with a visual, interactive calendar to keep your schedule organized efficiently right alongside your notes and tasks. And there you have it. With this integration complete, you can now keep an eye on upcoming events without leaving Notion. This helps maintain your focus and streamline your digital ecosystem into one cohesive workspace. I hope this tutorial was clear and easy to follow. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips to maximize your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.